Hi guys, it's Ruthie with the Purple Backyard Farm. I have in here one of my Wandering Jew plants, which is one of my absolute favorite plants. Now, Wandering Jew is kind of named that plant for its resilience, just like the Jewish people. It just, it's just a really, strong, good going plant. Now, let me talk to you a little bit about this one. I have, and I'm collecting as many of these as I can because I love this plant. This one has like the stripes on it, the purple underneath, but there are a lot of different varieties that I have found, and some of them look very close together, and some of them get like later in the summer and darker in the winter. But this one here has a nice coloring, and it's done good for me. I had started it out last year, so it's still a baby, but it's doing pretty good. So basically, what I found with this one, in the summer I put it outside in the shade. I had some of my Wandering Jews in the sun, but this particular one does not like full sun. So he'll be on the back porch growing, and every time a piece falls off, which it shouldn't, but if it does, if I'm moving it or something, I just pick it off, take off the two bottom leaves and put it in water. And in a few weeks I have more, and then you can put it back in the soil to make your plant more bushy. That's how you get like these really nice bushy plants. Or what you can do is you can make a new plant or give it to a friend. But I water in the Northeast, I water this in the winter like every 10 days, even 2 weeks. But let me caution you on this. I have plant friends and we talk all the time. I am convinced that just like your children, the Bible says, train up a child in the way that he should go. Everyone has their own personalities. Now, I'm not trying to be weird on you or anything, but here's the thing. Say you live in the South and I live in the North. Your plant may operate different than mine. Say you have a wood stove and I don't. So really, you kind of have the general rules, but you've got to find out what's best for your plant. So I carry my pots around and find out where they like it. So for the most part, all of my plants like it under a regular LED light. So like if you have like this guy's in the bathroom right now because this is my little watering station. So he's hanging out in here today. But you might find that you have a certain corner that it likes, or a windowsill it likes, or doesn't like. So I cart my plants around and kind of find out where they're happy and where they grow the best. And so that's my advice to you. I could tell you do this and this and this, but to be fair to you, each plant you're gonna kind of have to do that with. And if you lose one, there's like $2 to go get a new one sometimes. Just buy the smallest piece you can until it gets big. If you're one of these people that love big, huge plants, when you go to buy a plant, just buy 10 of them and put them together, and there you go. You got your nice big plant. If you can't find one big enough that you want, or do the math on if it's cheaper. Okay, guys, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.